now that we have introduced the idea of reasoning and argumentation, we need to look at arguments themselves. Argumentation is a process of convincing someone to accept a certain truth by using arguments. So what are arguments? In your lecture notes, it is stated that an argument is a discursive series of statements in which one statement is implied to be true by the other statements. That is to say, when you argue, you string together a little paragraph. Discursive set of statement means interlinked statements. Okay? Simple statement. All men can fly, if you believe that statement to be true, but let's just assume the statement is true. All men can fly. Johnny is a man, therefore Johnny can fly. Therefore suggests that the last statement, Johnny can fly, is true based on the previous two statements. Arguments are of that fashion. They imply something to be true based on previous truths. When we look at argument and its structure, what we find is this. Arguments are created with premises and conclusion. The premise of an argument are statements that can be true. For example, recognized facts, accepted theories, or even social beliefs. As long as you have a group of things that are taken to be true, they can be used as premises of an argument. Then, taking these things to be true, you reason, you argue, you begin to talk and say, look, because this is true and this is true, therefore this must be true. The premises imply some one thing to be true. In an argument, there should only be one implication. Now, a set of premises can have many implications, but each implication represents a unique argument, because each one may have its own strengths and weaknesses. Okay? So an argument may have many premises. It may have one, minimum of one. And at the same time, it draws just one conclusion. Okay? That conclusion is implied to be true. It is not true like the premises. We accept the premises to be true for some other reason. Like, for example, if I accept the scientific theory of the atomic universe, how it's constructed, then I can accept the statement, water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Based on my view of the atomic theory, then my view of the experimentation, I can accept the conclusion, water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen molecule. It's the conclusion of an argument. This statement is implied to be true based on the prior beliefs.